Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to change the air filter by yourself in a Volvo car. I have Volvo V60 here, but it mostly applies to this 2000 era Volvo cars, and this is V60 and this is here the air filter is. You need to remove Torx screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is how the air filter looks, but from bottom it's fine if it looks like that, but from top I think it's pretty old. Well, if you can see in the bottom, this is where it sucks the air in, but there is a lot of crap inside, so it's better to take this box out and clean it, or if you have a vacuum then you don't need to take it out, but I'll take it out. I don't have a vacuum. So this is how the new air filter looks like. So now I'll put the new air filter in. This looks slightly different on the bottom, but I think it fits. So that's how you change the air filter. In the end, I will give you a few tips. One is use the bit that doesn't fall down, because if you go here or here, if it falls down, then then it's difficult to find. Other tip is, if you have a vacuum, then clean the lower box with the vacuum cleaner. Otherwise, if you take the lower box out, this might come out, this might come out from here, this might come out, this you need to remove maybe, or it's better to use the vacuum cleaner. That's it. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you have any comments, questions, ask. I have V60 right now, so you can ask any questions about V60, how to do things. Bye, see you.